Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can post on Facebook Marketplace. You can post your service or a product you want to sell. And let's jump into the video. So first of all, you have to go to the Facebook Marketplace options after logging into your account. And here you can see there are many options on the marketplace options. So first of all, you need to know how you can um, post a new list. So first of all, you have to just create a new listing from here. After clicking it, it will need some descriptions of your product or service and a image or video. It can be your product's image or a video, or it also can be a poster related to what service you provide and all. And you can just make it and give some descriptions of the product you're selling or the service you will be providing, and you can just click on create a post, create create a list, and you just have to click on that and your post will be live. So let me tell you something more about the marketplace. So as you can see, you also have to select the category of your product or services. Like here are some categories like vehicle, property for rent, classifieds, and clothing, electronics, entertainment, family, free stuff, garden and outdoors, hobbies, some good, home improvement supplies, musical instrument, and many more. So after that, after selecting your location, you have to give your product a pricing and a location. So for the location, you have to type the location you want to sell your product. That can be a major areas. Like you can also deliver the product like online or through a e-commerce platform or delivery option, or you can just deliver it by hand to hand, like delivering it from your hand to the buyer's hand. So you have to select the towns or cities you want to sell your product for, and after that you have to give a fair pricing. For that, you can just browse marketplace for the similar listings, what in what prices they are selling, or they have given the price for the product. You can just give a price for like a competitive price that your product can be sold fairly, and the value should be the marketplace's value. And that's it. That's how you create a new listing on Facebook Marketplace. You post in a product or a service on Marketplace. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.